Derivation of kinetic energy. If you have an object and you move the object from a distance of s1 to s2 and the difference in the distance is s with a initial velocity of u equal to 0 meters per second to a velocity v meters per second. The work done on the object is equal to the energy supplied, which equals the kinetic energy due to horizontal motion. And the work done is equal to force times distance. But force is equal to ma, mass times acceleration. So now I can replace the force F by ma. The work done, which is equal to the kinetic energy, and now equals to mass times acceleration times the distance traveled. We also know from SOVAT, the equation of motion, that v squared, the final velocity, and that's the initial velocity, v squared equals to u squared plus 2as. But we know that u is equal to 0, therefore v squared equals to 2as plus 0, and we can make as the subject. As equals to v squared over 2, and I'm going to replace the as here with v squared over 2. I can write the kinetic energy equals to mv squared over 2. What I've done is I've replaced the as here with v squared over 2. And to fully write this properly, the kinetic energy equals to a half mv squared. And that's the derivation of the kinetic energy.